Welcome. Today we're going to be looking at how to update your Iris ID face reader. You will need admin access for this, but you'll notice up in the top on the notification bell, when I click this, it lets me know there is a new version available. So you will need administrator access to the time clock in order to do this. For your administrator access, you're going to press on the three dashes and you're going to have the clock identify you. Once identified, you'll see the icons, and in the bottom left you'll see one that says firmware. You'll tap the firmware. It tells you that there's an update to install. If you're not ready, you can just click later to back out, but to update you're going to select update. And the system will install and reboot. Now if we look at the version, we can see we've gone from 1.8 to 1.9. So the clock is doing a reboot, and when the clock comes back up to the app, you'll be ready to use it. Thanks for watching.